This 2024 K-Z Sportsmen SE 301 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 32 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, awning, TV, spare tire kit, water heater, auxiliary battery, external shower, oven, smoke detector, skylight, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 K-Z Sportsmen SE 301 BHK is 6,310 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.